Okay guys, we got a 2024 Toyota Highlander. I'm going to show you how to reset the maintenance required light. I did just reset it, so it's going to already be reset, but this is how you do it. You're going to turn the vehicle to the on position without pressing your brake pedal. You press this twice, you'll get to this screen. We're going to be using this button over here, the odometer trip button. Press it until you get to the odometer where it says ODO. From there, turn the vehicle off, hold down the odometer button, and then turn the vehicle back on. So you're going to press that engine start stop button twice. So continue holding the odometer button over here, and then that is going to start flashing the 23224. Just keep holding it until it resets. So it just reset to 8495. So that's how you do it. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching.